Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to actually share your airtime, okay, with another network user. Now this video is mainly for MTN users, so in case you are using either Telecel or Airtel to go, I might drop another video on that for you, okay? So just stick with me in case you are an MTN user. Now in case you've been watching my videos, you'll notice that I've made a video on how to convert airtime back to MOMO wallet, okay? So in case you've not watched that video, I'll just link that in the video description or card, or you can just check our playlist on what technology hacks, okay? And then you find that video is how to convert your airtime to what your MOMO wallet. So sometimes you end up buying specific amount of airtime which you do not need, okay? You overbuy the airtime, so you can actually convert this back as money into your MOMO wallet and use it for whatever you want, okay? Now that was just by the way. Now let me state this emphatically clear. This video is not for you to steal other people's airtime, okay? You need to seek permission before you do this, because some people take advantage of this and then they end up doing what is not what right. So in case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video and share. Now in case you are a crypto lover, okay, and you want to earn money from airdrops, okay, sorry for making the introduction long, but I need to say this so that I could go on with the video. Now in case you are interested in airdrops are what? They are tokens that once you mine them or farm them, they will be converted into what? Dollars, so that you can withdraw into your mobile wallet using platforms like Binance, okay? Once those airdrops are launched on Binance, okay, it's very simple. That's what most people have been doing nowadays, okay? In case you are interested, I'll be dropping series of these videos on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe so that you don't miss out, because I'll be flowing only the profitable airdrops, not the ones that comes with scam and all that. In case you've not heard of Notcoin, yeah, it was popular, okay, but I didn't share videos on that. Now I've made it a point to share this with you guys, okay? Now let's dive right into this video. Now in case you want to share your airtime with other people, just dial *198, okay, hash, and then you call. Now I want to make this video simple, so I'll just tell you what to do. Now in case you've not activated, first you need to activate, okay? So in case you've not done that, just choose option 1 to activate it, okay? After doing that, you'll be told to choose a pin, and then you choose it and then you move on. Now in case you actually you've already activated it, okay, just choose option 2 to proceed with the transfer. So they will ask you for the number you want to transfer to and then the amount you want to transfer, okay? It's very simple. After that, maybe in case you want to change your pin, that's option 3. That's just it. It's very simple and straight to the point. I don't want to make this video long, so watch out for our next video on data bundles and airdrops, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.